tires back from cycle gear. Now, time to install. I clean inside of there. I clean the actual bolt and greased it a little bit. And time to see how this goes. Here we go. So first try failed. These little spacers came off. And I cleaned them, still dirty. I'll clean them again. And I greased them on this side and that side. Then the brake caliper assembly wasn't going in. It's because this must go inside. In there, you see there's a little indentation. It has to go in there in order for it to align with the bolt. And I wasn't able to get it in there, so let me try that first. And here we go, round 2. Success. Now to explain it, that will be difficult. So I wouldn't say it's common sense, but you align the tire, you make sure the caliper's in, you have it out enough to be able to slide it back in. As you see, it slides back in. That bracket right there, or that little slide guide. As you're lifting up the tire, you just put that in and voila. Make sure you have these in the correct position. And now time to adjust these little adjusters to align the chain. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. To align the chain, you have your adjuster screws here, and righty is for tighty and lefty is for loosey. So I bought this tool on Amazon, which there were some great reviews and some bad reviews. Some of the bad reviews were stating that the rod was bent, which I kind of noticed on this one. It was either by my doing or just it came like that. I don't remember. So I got another idea. How about if we align it with this guy? So you measure from the bolt to the end, for the nut to the end of the bolt, and then you measure on this side, and that should be even. If not, there's that string method. Unfortunately, with the string method, there's a lot of stuff that gets in the way, like that shield, and on the other side is the slip-on exhaust. But let's try that. And then I bought something else to try to see if that works. So how I'm doing it, I'm doing a quarter turn each time on each side. So quarter, go to the other side. And then I do a quarter turn here. And quarter. Alright, so measure both bolts. They both measure the same length. Install this little tool thing from Amazon. Is it straight? It doesn't seem to be, but I have another idea. So to align this, I bought this at Costco, and I was like, maybe I need some sort of laser to measure it. I don't like this bottom part, it's twisting in, but as you can see, the laser, I think it's pretty accurate. Maybe it's a little bit too inside on the inside. Whoa, that thing's, but let me see if I could use this to measure my chain. That looks pretty straight to me from this point to the end point. Let's take a zoom in real quick. It's right at the edge from this beginning. I think that's pretty straight. Let's tighten her up. So to make sure that that's all tightened, you're gonna have to put your lock screw on here. And on this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm clean it, put some little bit of Loctite so it won't move. And I think we're done. Just retorque everything. And yeah, after a couple of times of adjusting the chain to the OEM specification that you see there, the tire is all mounted. Now to put everything back together and take it for a test drive. I checked the rear brake. The brake works. Put it on neutral, moved it, and stepped on the rear brake. Everything is grabbing. Really important that you check that. Make sure that was installed correctly. Everything looks good on this side. Pads are in there. There's see. That should be good. Here we go. Test ride is completed. Checking the alignment. Alignment looks good. Little chicken strips there. I gotta push it a little bit more. But everything looks good. Nothing smelling. Nothing seizing. I think that's a win. I hope this helped.